Welcome back to Odoo, and in this video I will show you how to set up email servers in Odoo 18 using the POP protocol. We will configure both incoming and outgoing email servers step by step using my personal email account, which I will use today, testing602040@gmail.com. So first of all, guys, as you can see, I'm using Odoo 18, and let me just go in settings and show you that I'm using Odoo 18 Enterprise Edition. Right. Okay, so guys, let me just tell you what the email servers are. So if we go in technical, so here you can see under email heading, you can see outgoing mail servers and incoming mail servers. So these are the ones who we will change today. We will just create today. So in Odoo, email servers are crucial for handling communication effectively. So first of all, I will let you know what incoming email server is. So it actually fetches emails sent to your mailbox and processes them in Odoo. For example, converting support requests into tickets or leads, or directly sending email to the mailbox. And then the outgoing email server. So it basically sends email from Odoo, such as quotations, invoices, or notifications to wherever we want to send, or wherever our emails are going. So basically that email address will be using as outgoing email server. Okay, so let's get started. And if we go in technical, but before doing that, go in settings, and in settings we just need to go here, use custom email servers. So you make sure you need to click this, use custom email servers, and then click save. Once we will do that, then this option also will be appeared, use a Gmail server. So I will create a new video how to create Gmail out service, so which I will create another video and I will also upload that. But for now we are just talking about creating incoming email servers and outgoing email servers using the email address. So I'm using for today, this is the one, testing602040. This is the email address which I will create for this purpose. So first of all, we go in settings and we click on incoming mail server. I have already created some, so I am just going to delete these ones and I'm going to create a new one. So I will call this one Odoo incoming server. Right. And after that I will click POP here. Okay, when setting up email servers, we often encounter POP and IMAP protocols. So here's a quick breakdown. So this POP is actually post office protocol, downloads emails to our Odoo database and deletes them from the mailbox by default. This is how it's going. But if you don't want the emails to delete from the main mailbox, then we can use IMAP server, Internet Message Access Protocol. It actually syncs emails between Odoo and our mailbox, keeping them accessible across devices. And for this demonstration today, I will just use POP, as it's simpler and ideal for processing emails within Odoo. So I'm using POP here, and here in server, because I'm using Gmail, so that's why I will just put here imap.gmail In port, change it to 995, and also check this SSL and TLS. So 995 SSL enabled, that's why. Then in email, here in username, I'm just putting my email, which is testing 602040 @gmail.com. Now we need password. So we cannot straight away place passwords for this email address. For that, we just need to go in the email which we have already created. So this is the one, testing 602040. And what you need to do, you just need to click here and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, you need to click see all settings. And then here, click on accounts and import. And after that, click on other Google account settings. When you do that, click on security. Okay, in security, please make sure that your two-step verification is already enabled. So if it's not enabled, you need to enable it. So I have already made this enable. This is already working fine. So now we need to click here in search bar and start typing with app passwords. App passwords will appear. Click here. Okay, it has been appeared. So already I have created one app password. I'm just going to delete this and I'm create again. So I will call this Odoo incoming server create, and now it has provided me this password. So I'm going to copy this and now place here in passwords. That's it. This one, actions to perform on incoming emails. So basically when someone is sending, so we can set a record that what we want to do. So we don't want to touch it now. We just want to create in simple form incoming server, save it, and then we can click test and confirm. So that's it. It has already been confirmed and tested. So what we can do now, we can click on fetch now. We can see last fetch date, which is today's date, and now the time is also now exact time, as you can see 2:57 now. And now I can go in, let me just duplicate this, and if I start typing with emails, you can go in emails and you can check all these emails has been fetched. So this means our server is working perfectly fine. So this is how we can create incoming server by using pop server. And now, right, so we have already created our incoming server. So let's test this. So for testing, what we do when we receive any email on testing 602040, we want to create a new record. So for that we say lead. So whenever we receive any email on this email address on our incoming email server, then we want to create lead or opportunity. Save this. But before this, make sure that your CRM has been installed. And also if you go in settings, then if you click on CRM, then your leads, this it's already been checked. Okay, once you make sure that it's already been checked, so from my another this is my another email address. So what I do, I just compose and I just send another email to testing. This email address, our incoming server, and in subject I'd say email campaign, and in body I would say testing. Let's send this email. Oh, where is that? Yeah. Right, so now we just send this email. Okay, so we have already sent one email. So now what we can do, we can just go in Odoo, our incoming server, and we can click on fetch now. So after fetching, we can go back in our CRM and just refresh it, and we can remove this filter. Yes, as you can see in lead, we have already got it email campaign, which is this one. So this email campaign, it's the name which I put it in subject. Then I have got testing. This is in the email. This is the email from where I have just sent it. So this is how we can test this. This is working perfectly fine. So guys, now we are going to create outgoing mail server. So as you can see, I have not created any yet. So first of all, an outgoing email server is used by Odoo to send emails such as quotations, invoices, reminders, and notifications. This server acts as a bridge between Odoo and your email provider like Gmail, Outlook, or any email. Key features are sends emails directly from Odoo to recipients, supports secure protocol like SMTP with encryption, SSL, TLS, uses your email provider's authentication credentials to ensure secure communication. So without a properly configured outgoing server, Odoo cannot send emails, so which can disrupt customer communication and internal workflows. So first of all, let's click on new and let's choose the name here. And we will authenticate with username first, and then I will also add another video where I will also show you SSL certificate as well. Then here click choose SSL TLS debugging. Okay, yes, you can also check that. SMT port 465 is fine, but here in SMTP server, you need to write this. What is SMTP protocol? So simple mail transfer protocol, SMTP, is a standard protocol used for sending emails. Odoo requires your SMTP server details to connect and send emails. So that's why we have already provided this. Most providers, Gmail, Outlook, require SSL or TLS encryption to protect data during transmission. Here the username, so for this purpose, for outgoing server, I'm choosing a new email, which is odooistic@gmail.com. And for that purpose, I'm going in settings again, and again accounts and import. other Google account settings, and then security. As you can see, two-step verification already has been enabled, and now I will start typing app password. So I'm going to delete the old one, and I'm saying outgoing service, and choose this, copy this, and save it. Test connection. So it's saying connection test successful. So now it's time to test. So we are going in email campaign. So as you can see, there is also already one email here in email campaign. This is a lead. So we are going to send a message, and this message will be going to farooqabizrajput@gmail.com, from where this email has been received. So here we say, hello, we receive your email, and this is a reply testing email. Thanks. Okay, and now we are going to send this. It's saying that hello, we receive your email, and this is a reply testing email. Thanks. It has already been sent. Now we can go in my email, which is gmail.com. This is my email, and if you can see email campaign, hello, we receive your email, and this is a reply testing email. Thanks. So wow, this is great. So this is exactly how we wanted this to be. It is working perfectly fine, and we can also receive emails using, or receive actions or records, create records on receiving emails on our incoming server. And also we have created an outgoing server. By using that outgoing server, we can also send emails to wherever we want by using our Odoo 18. Thank you so much for watching my video on setting up email servers in Odoo 18. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Odooistic, for more tutorials, tips and tricks about Odoo development and customization. Hit the bell icon so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Recently, I have also started a Python course series as well, so you can also watch my Python course series as well. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends or colleagues who might benefit from learning about Odoo and Python and other technological topics. Thanks again for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and happy developing.